Me YouTube. How everybody doing? It's your boy Season, and I'm back with another video. Just giving y'all an update. This actually gonna be a quick update. I am back home. Everything has been all right. Still send my prayers out to those in the Bahamas. Only thing we had that was really bad was a little bit of rain, the wind, and then the power went out in the house. Other than that, everything is fine. Going back to work tomorrow because today is Thursday, so this will probably come out tomorrow, which will be Friday. Or probably come out tonight. I don't know. Anyway, everything good. Thanks for all the prayers that y'all sent my way. So yeah, quick little update. This video is not gonna be long. Hope y'all have a good day. I'm out. Watch how you move, cause nothing's promised to you. Stay down with the ones that was loyal to you. One day at a time,